let us first try the simple circuit. So one light with one switch. No, so we will use single switches only. So later on we will try using both of them. Okay, so this is the contact for the upper switch and the lower switch on the lower side also. So power supply for line 1. Again for the light. So let's try lamp 8. For line 2. Nabay siyang sick.
Ano man? Ha?
Okay, now let us now try. So as you can see, that is for single switches. Single switch. Cut.
Action!
Okay, so let us now try also the three-way switching. So let us first press the common. So for three-way, this is the common. The red one and the other side is the black one. Common normally open and normally close. Let's start. Line 1, 2, common. Then we parallel the two travelers. Normally open. And for the lamp 2. So we can have now lamp B controlled by two switches in different locations. So let's try to turn on. Okay, so you can see you can switch on here and switch on here, switch on, switch up here. So this is used for stairways, residential and commercial houses. Cut. Let us now try the four-way switching, or the one lamp controlled by 3 or more switches in different locations. So we are using the typical or the manual switching. First switch, turn off by second switch, and turn on by the third switch. This is the four-way switch. So this is applicable for hallways. No? That is also important wiring diagram that was learned by our students. Cut. Okay, so now we will use together with the manual switching and the wireless or Bluetooth switching. So we will use all the lamps, 5 lamps, controlled manually and wirelessly. Okay, start.